Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-carnitine capsules. L-carnitine is a vital compound that helps transport fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for energy. This process is crucial for metabolism and energy production. While your body produces some L-carnitine, and it's present in foods like red meat, supplementation can offer additional benefits, especially for those looking to support their fitness goals. Determining the right dosage is key. Most studies suggest a daily intake between 500 milligrams and 2,000 milligrams. It's often recommended to take L-carnitine with a meal, as insulin can help improve its absorption into muscle cells. If you're using it to boost your workouts, consider taking your dose 30 to 60 minutes before your exercise session for optimal impact on performance and recovery. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: after a tough workout, sometimes you just want to relax and read. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for that, letting you dive into a great book anywhere. Check the description for a link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond fat metabolism, L-carnitine offers several potential benefits. Many users experience improved muscle recovery after intense exercise and a reduction in overall fatigue. Some also report enhanced mental clarity and focus, making it a versatile supplement. While generally well tolerated, a small number of individuals might experience mild side effects such as nausea or stomach upset, especially when starting supplementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.